Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Rockwood number 320. This is the part number 320 CXL. This is a latch guard, as you can see. I have one removed from the packaging here so we can take a closer look at it. Now the 320 is a series of latch protectors from Rockwood. The CXL is a specific variant, and that variant is detailed down below, but in short, what makes it different from its 320C, its 320CL, and the 320CXL, in addition to the base 320, is that the preparation in here for the rosette is for 2 1/4 to 3 3/4 diameter roses on cylindrical locks, meaning the size of the prep here is the XL. Is what this means. If you had the L rather than the XL, you'd have a preparation for 2 1/4 to 3 1/4 size roses. If you had just the 320C base, it would be 2 1/8 inch or less. So how do you know which one to use? Well, just measure the diameter of the rose of your cylindrical lock and choose accordingly. Okay. Let's go over some dimensional properties. Rockwood has this 3 inch by 11. So 3 by 11. Okay, that is indeed correct. This is intended for installation to cover the latch area and the strike lip area of your exit device, deterring break-in. This feature, this raised feature to the latch protector, allows room for the lip of the strike to reside within, so that you don't have to alter the strike. The 320 series also features the anti-pry pin, and this pin is going to, after this is installed, with the bolts that are included, a couple of carriage style sex bolts are included. You'll bolt that through the door, and you'll drill a hole where this pin will just reside within that hole that you've drilled in the jamb. So on a left-hand reverse door, the pin will be towards the top. On a right-hand reverse door, the pin will be, of course, towards the bottom. Okay, that's how that is, making it not handed. They have this as 0.105 inch thick, so if 1/8 of an inch is 0.125, this is 0.105, and according to the caliper, it's 0.93. 0.92 is what the caliper is saying. It's a little bit shy on that published detail. Very nice quality fit and finish on this item, and that's a hallmark of the Rockwood line. Very nice quality fit and finish. Stainless steel brushed. This model, forgive me. Yeah, this model is the this is indeed the stainless steel model. Also available in a zinc or a zinc plated over steel base material. The jam pin is important because a typical way to defeat a lock set is to simply put a bar between the lock edge of the door and the jamb and spread that apart to the point where you can literally have the latch bolt come out of the hole of the strike and you can easily pull the door open. And in fact, that's a common way that thieves will defeat a door. They'll cut a piece of 2x4 large enough and hammer it in there and bow the jamb out in order to just simply push the door open. Well, that anti-pry pin, of course, is going to help that not happen. The bolts, I'll remove those from the package and show you what those look like. It's a carriage bolt, so it'll have a square feature to the underside of the head, so that when it is installed in the hole, that square head will prevent it from turning because that's a square prep in there. Then, of course, you're going to have this Allen wrench prep on the inside, a very small projecting face, very flat face, intended specifically for 1 3/4.
Okay. Obviously, if you needed to do something different in terms of door thickness, you could source just different carriage bolts. And these are 5/16, 18 typical carriage bolts is what those are. There's a link down below this video to a document called Product Brochure that will allow you to review the 320 series of latch protectors. There's another link called Technical Data Sheet, which is handy because it's a technical drawing of the 320 latch protector itself, not the CL or CXL model with the escutcheon or the rosette prep, but that will give you the same basic overall dimensions. There is then a link called Template, which is really in essence the same sort of drawing. Okay, very nice quality item from Rockwood. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Rockwood products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. Now, I'm quite partial to Rockwood, and it's because I'm a fan of their fit and finish. I really like the high-quality nature of their product line, and their name is, of course, synonymous with trim and auxiliary hardware within the construction industry. If you have any questions on the Rockwood, this is their part number 320 CXL latch protector, or any other Rockwood product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.